Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to take a photo of a light painting or light graffiti painting by using low exposure with your DSLR camera. There are only three things we need to remind: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO value, which is called exposure triangle. And by controlling those three things, we can get pretty fun, exciting, and dynamic photos. It is pretty simple and easy. So let's get started. Okay, so first let's create the light painting tools or device. So I prepared the three small flashlights, and then we're going to make a paper tube and wrap around, and then it will be something like this. So it will look like some kind of really simple version of a lightsaber from the movie Star Wars. So three different colors. Let's do this. Okay, so I got three lightsabers. One with white paper tube. It doesn't look bright enough, but I will be okay in the dark. And one in yellow paper. And one with the orange paper. Okay, and I got another one, another extra, from the toy from the TV series Doctor Who. You know this. So this is really not bright, but it will do something. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so I set my camera to the manual mode, and then I set my shutter speed to the 15 seconds. And then aperture 5.6, which is pretty wide open. It's not quite wide open, but it's pretty wide because we're going to take this photo in the dark, so we need more light sources. And then my ISO value I set to the 100. So we're going to play with the several different settings, so let's take a look. So I'm going to turn off the light, and then let me take a photo. It's pretty dark. You see this? The lightsaber we made. White, oops, yellow, and the orange is almost like a red. And this is Doctor Who thing. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so I start with white lightsaber, red, and yellow. Okay, so I changed the settings a little bit. I increased my shutter speed up to 30 seconds, much longer. And then also I changed my the aperture value, my f-stop to 8.0, because in my previous photo I saw myself and I didn't like it. So I thought, yeah, I need to need the kind of little less light source. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting with white. White is done. My orange and my yellow. And my what is this? Doctor Who thing. Okay, and then this time I'm gonna use just this Doctor Who thing. I'm gonna draw heart and let me write the letters love. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna draw heart. N L O V E. Okay, so the play with the different settings of ISO value, aperture, f-stops, and then a shutter speed. And then by controlling those three things, you can get a lot of different kinds of results. And then also your painting devices like this is kind of simple, but anything's fine. Anything will work. And then remember, just need to control three different settings, exposure triangles. So have fun.